Hello, and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Today we're going to be working on this cute little turtle. These were some of my best sellers last year. The very first show I introduced them to, I'm pretty sure I sold out on all of them. So people love their turtles, and I love them too. So let's do a turtle. This first, things don't always go right? And sometimes you just have to keep fighting to get what you like. This is one of those situations. Now, I absolutely love this technique. I have yet to do one successfully. I will keep trying, but not today. Not today. But anyways, I digress. So back to this. I am doing, I believe they're called waterfall swipes, where I'm just going to swipe down the entire piece, hopefully getting amazing cells and beautiful blending of all of the colors. Obviously, as you know, this one's not going to work out for me, but I know why now. So that's the important thing, and that's why I'm still putting it into this video, showing you all my flaws, things I do wrong, so that you can learn from them while I learn from them. But the reason why I believe this didn't work was because I used my copper cell activator and another one that I recently made out of pearl blue, and they are too thick. All I have to do is either add a little bit more Australian Floetrol, which is what I'll probably do, to try to thin them down a little bit more. I think maybe my ratio might be off because there's just no cell activation happening when I swipe, and you'll see that here. For now, I have to finish laying my paints. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, so let's get these paints laid out and see what happens. This should have been my first indication that things just weren't going to go right for me today. For some reason, my gold bottle was clogged. I just could not get it to come out. Keep trying. But eventually, no, not yet. I'm still trying. Sometimes you just get determined. I kept expecting the whatever's clogged to just like get squirted out. And then of course that could have been a horrible thing with a big blob of gold all of a sudden, but that didn't happen either way. I kept trying to get it to happen off camera. So I just popped off the little lid thingy there, and then it came out. So got some cleaning to do there, Lucy. But so yeah, here's my cell activator. Way too thick. Way too thick. And I had a feeling, but I wasn't sure, so I just kept going with it. Because normally my cell active, my coppers I haven't had a problem with it. But then again, I also normally just sprinkle a couple of dots on my other cell activators with the copper, just to give it that, extra little shine. And this is the pearl blue cell activator, which, I've used the pearl violet before, and it worked great. This one's not working that good. I don't know if it's the blue itself, or if I just need to put more Australian Floetrol and make it a little thinner. So I have some more work to do on those and testing to see if I can save them. So here we're going to do the swipe with a dry paper towel. And I don't know why that line between the pink and the blue is so prominent. And I didn't like it. And I guess between the blue and the green too, but I kind of wanted, a little more blending going on. So I love the section right down the middle where the cells are popping up. I love the piece right off of the side of the turtle where it's looking all rainbow-like. And, as you can see, that seemed to pull all of the cell activator off the head, so I've swiped a little bit more on there, and obviously, as you can see right there, no cell activation happening. And this leg was giving me some trouble. What was that? I just swiped and nothing touched it. So obviously that's not flat or something, because good heavens, was that giving me trouble? So I tried on this side, tried to give it a better swipe, get some cell activator over there. Okay, that one worked a little better. It looks so thick on there though, right? And of course, nothing popping off, no cells popping up, nothing. So, I'm going to keep working on it, try to save this. Because there are things that you can do when something doesn't work out, and you can save it. That's not one of them. Okay, that was a much better swipe, but still, it's just the cell activator. I just keep trying to get it to. So, at some point, you have to face facts. I still wasn't ready to give up, but I knew. Try to spin it out. Maybe that will help the cell activator activate. What was it? Power Rangers, activate. Well, no, not happening. So I thought, well, maybe I can, sometimes if you re-swipe, then that will fix things. So I grab another paper towel, and I'm just gonna try to swipe it one more time. There's enough cell activator on that head to try, but nope, just removed everything. Okay. So now I've got, basically a fresh place to start again. Oh, frustration. So, now what am I going to do? Because, like I said, I really don't like how the lines from the colors are not blended and they're just, hard lines. So, I have to hide those. I'm not liking what's happening here. I don't get what's going on. It's all so freaking ugly. I don't know what to do. But the most important thing about fluid art is to not stress. To have fun with it. Okay, this isn't working? Fine. Let's go to what I know will work. First of all, if you can see up there in the top left-hand corner, I made some new cell activator. I went with the ultramarine blue, which I love, and I made it perfectly this time. It is nice and thin, just the way it should be. And so I'm just going to do the tried and true radial swipe, one of my favorite techniques to do. And I'm just going to drizzle all my neons on there and do a radial swipe with the blue. And wow, let me tell you what. Hold on, wait for it. Look at those cells. They are popping off and I am loving it. Okay, saved by the radial swipe. And some decent cell activator. Let's spin it out and open them up. Now you know I'm not going to make you sit through all of those spins. Even I get dizzy watching it. So, a bunch of spins later. And here is what we've got. Gorgeous, if I say so myself. I mean, can you ever go wrong with neons and a radial swipe? I don't think so. So I'm going to clean up my edges, and then we'll go in for a close-up, a flyover, if you will. But I'm really loving how those cells are developing. Let's check it out. So I'm not going to give up on the waterfall swipe in the staged colors or staggered colors. I will be trying it again, probably relatively soon, probably with this cell activator, because come on, look at those cells. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try again. I don't shy away from it. I learn from my mistakes, which is all you can do. This is where it's at. Can never get enough of this. So I hope you don't mind that I share my whole journey with you, mistakes and all, because as I said, that mistakes are when things go wrong, they are often the best chances to learn the most. So, and why hide that from you? You know, I make mistakes, things go wrong, it happens. But you don't stress, you keep pushing forward. And if all else fails, you resort back to what you know, and you just have fun with it. And look at this, look at the results that you get. And you know, use educated guesses as you go. But I really love and appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. You just don't know how much it means to me. Thank you so much for joining us on another week of the Creative Art Collective, brought to you by the amazing Taslima Maya Art, who had her video just before mine. If you missed it, go back and watch. Then there's me, Let's Pour with Patty, followed by the amazing Casey of CWV Artistry, and we're still missing Sheldon of Shell Rock Art. Come back soon, Shelly. And if you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, leave a comment, and maybe I could even earn your subscription today. And as always, my dear sweet friends, keep creating. Bye.